Hey guys. Who can eat the most chicken nuggets? Jam is a JoJo though.
This is a bag.
So we already got on the second one. I think this is
You
my
can have
third
that
one.
barbecue.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, some ranch. Well, I don't need it. My own much. Now that you have your own ranch. And I want my own chair. Hush! Water. No. Give us 2 waters.
No.
You don't have to judge them.
No. You need to go without water. Yes, you do. Yeah, you do.
I'm being lazy. I'm not going to do it anymore.
Why?
It's really hurts. Bye, tell me that's it. I'm eating too fast.
I win then.
No, I'm not quitting anymore. I'm just trying.
I know you're quitting.
And you're not the one that wins.
I know, Junie always give my drink.
She always wants it. I won. She quitted.
I
won.
They're playing Quidditch, guys.